Hello guys, my name is Willem. Welcome to LRDX Cars. I'm here in Hamburg to check out some cars here. I've never been here before. Also check out the city. And I'm here at the garage because, like some of you will know, I bought like this van a while ago. Already I've been driving like 10,000 kilometers with it in a month, and the side door didn't open, and it's finally fixed. So that's actually great. Like, I rebuilt this van into a mobile home a while ago, and the garage where I did it is also a bit specialized in classic cars, sports cars. They have a lot of cars here. So I'll first take you immediately here to the basement, where they have some sports cars, classic cars I want to share with you in this video. So let's get into it, guys. Enjoy. Collection of classic bikes and a lot of classic cars here. A Mustang GT350, like this one, is also for sale. I'll put the name of the garage also here in the description so you can know. This is a 2.9 liter, so it's a V6 GT350, like end of the 70s model. Cool with the two stripes over. It's like a black one, yes. On the inside, of course, automatic transmission. Most of the classics. On the other side, you have a station wagon, old Benz, and here an AMG GT. This matte grey color, so I'm looking, is it the AMG GTC version? No description on back, but it could be. They always made like the special color with the special wheels for like the last years of production for this AMG GT. I reviewed also the newer one. Porsche Targa Heritage is underneath there. Then some projects. Old Quattroporte, SL here, old G-Wagon. But this is also a cool one, the Alfa Romeo Quattro, like the sports version of the Giulia. See it here. Cool detail. That's like a V6 in bike-turbo, I think it is. Great sound these have with the exhaust on each side. Carbon fiber lip on. And this typical typical Alfa Romeo color. Carbon is also on the side lip. Side skirts. Then this is an older, very special car from James Bond movies. I don't know, some of you have seen the video, maybe for the older viewers. This car is sold in two. I think it was the Goldfish movie. Very rare, these are limited. BMW Z8. Cool details are here, like the fog lights in. Front grill. Very cool car to see. Next to it is een SL 300 and cabriolet version. You see these are in perfect condition, fully restored. Beautiful fabric on the inside. That's quite nice. So it also convertible two-seater. See also on the steering wheel the special design, manual of course. Driver's car. Very fun. Here a Porsche 911 Turbo, een newer SL hier. You see a lot of German classics here. That SL here on the back is also fully restored. This 230 SL here with the fuel cap on the back. Check here. Also open this one, no, it's closed. You see also a fully fresh on the inside. This car was built like from chassis up, totally new. I think also for sale here. I guess around 100,000 something if they have the full restoration. Okay, beautifully done. This is like one of the coolest here. And then I have two in the dark blue with the dark brown interior. Like Bordeaux. Very cool, with a very big spoiler on the back. Typical turbo. I think it's also from the United States because you have like the US bumper on the back. Here, Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, dark brown one. You can also take the roof off because it's the coupe version of the cab then even. No, just like this special other color of roof to it. Ride and drive from Britain. Let's go to series classics. Carnage. At the carnage even. Or wood on the inside. And this is a very cool Mustangs also for sale. I even asked what the price is, so we'll see. Because before I bought the Mazda MX-5 I owned and now sold, I was also looking for a Mustang. Because they're priced around the same price, 30,000. But this is totally fresh, totally renewed. Like you see new paint to it. So on the inside, full new chrome, it's all fresh on the inside, but yeah, very cool, very beautiful. And it's a cab, soft top, so when I go back to the south in a week or two, then you can drive it convertible. Very nice, and then you see the whole chrome, fresh, no rust on, like fog lights in. That's very cool. It's also a 2.9 liter, 289 Mustang. That's pretty cool, guys. You see it here. What a view. Mustang. It's nice. Special leather here around the steering wheel. And then there's the running horse. Like the colors of America behind. Looks a bit like the Dutch flag. Here, wiper, lights, the contact, just simple buttons, and miles an hour even. The kilometry, automatic car, it's easy to drive. It will be a cool vibe. Let's see when it's time to buy a classic. Really very cool. This is Volvo shooting brake, and here side track for a bike, and then this is a Sundap with the engine motorcycle from the war, I think, Second World War, and here tucked in the corner, Fiat 500, classic one. Yeah, it's very cool, very fun to walk around here, share some classics with all of you. In the afternoon I'm also going to Porsche and to Lamborghini and Ferrari here in Hamburg. So they never visited, and yeah, Germany is known for their cool taste in cars and good mechanics. We quickly fixed here my door, so easy fix. And then I'm also taking her in the workshop because there is a E-Type, another Mustang I want to share with you. Here, 360Z, some 911s. The G-Wagon also built as a camper. Chevy, some Land Rovers. Another Rosario in great condition. Color fun. Cool. Boxen Ortaga. The turbo spoiler on its core, and I wanted to show you here this E-Type. It's cool to view in here in the garage with the turquoise Vespa. It's a very beautiful car. With the engine bay that folds all the way back to the front. Very cool car to see here. Another Salad they're gonna rebuild. Another Mustang. Cool colorway on this Vespa. Yeah, from the garage, and I'll also take you here quickly in the showroom. There they are the 356 and some classic bikes, Harleys. Some cool bikes here.
Hinten und vorne? Scheiben, ja. Und
This is a replica also lekker drauf.
Klötze habe ich hier vorne.
What's the name of the
Ja,
garage? You know what's the name here of the garage? The name?
Of the garage?
Yes. How can
Well,
people
they-
find it if they want to buy the classic?
Classic.
Yeah.
And in Maschen?
In Russian is a name.
No, it's just
Or like a website.
Take this.
You can find them right here.